Do you struggle getting a good sound when you record yourself, whether audio or video? Maybe you set up a phone or a camera or even a webcam and you record it and then you go back and listen to it and it's noisy, maybe a little bit echoey, and it doesn't really capture the essence that you wanted to do in your recording. And that's a real simple fix. It's just because you're missing some of the basic fundamentals of recording. And that's why I'm excited to offer our Music Recording 101 workshop. Now for this workshop, I'm bringing in the best of the best, one of the Uke Like the Pros team members and one of the best musicians, engineers, mixers, producers that I know, Per Keller. He's the one that does all our backing tracks for all our courses, all our challenges. He does all the mixing for all the videos I do. He's an expert. He's been doing this for years, decades. He's worked with some of the best names in the business, and he's going to share that experience with you. So when you go to record, whether it's for a challenge or a video you want to post on social media, or even just something you want to do for your family or friends, we want it to sound good. And there's just a few fundamental things that you need to understand about sound waves, about microphones, about where to place those microphones. And so these key tips are going to really make a huge difference in the production of your audio and your video recording. So I want you to sign up now. It's going to be a live workshop. If you can't make it, no problem. This recording will be in your library, so you can go back and access it anytime to review it. Or again, if you missed the live recording, you can watch it there. This is going to be a great workshop. You're going to learn a lot. Your recordings, your sound quality is going to improve tremendously through this workshop. So sign up now, take advantage of this, learn from one of the best in the business, and I want to make sure that you get the best sounding recordings that you can.